When it comes to spending other people's money, the Liberals just can't help themselves. They're borrowing billions of dollars.
In the House, the opposition is not waiting for the budget to spin it their own way as a tide of red ink.
And they said that the deficits were going to be moderate, but indeed they're not, and that these massive deficits of the Liberal government are nothing more than broken promises.
But the Prime Minister spun it as a promise kept, a promise to spend.
For 10 years, the previous government did nothing but shave away and cut instead of investing in the kind of tomorrow that Canadians need. This is the budget that Canadians have been asking for through the last election campaign. This is what we're delivering to grow the economy and help the middle class.
And all good Liberals are primed to spread that message. Spending is good.
Growth, infrastructure, housing, all things that we campaigned on, and we're looking forward to it.
Which leaves few secrets left for tomorrow. We already know that the deficit is going to be around $30 billion, and that some of that will be spent on a big child benefit package and on infrastructure that is supposed to create jobs. We also know there will be spending on First Nations health and welfare.
Well, I'm hoping to see a lot of key strategic investments to help close the gap that exists in Canada between Indigenous and non-Indigenous Canadians.
Will the Liberal budget provide full equivalent funding to end the gap on health, water and education for First Nations children?
Tomorrow's budget will feature historic investments in First Nations and Indigenous Canadians right across the country.
There is no doubt then that the spending tap will be turned on and that debt will rise much faster than the Liberals said in the campaign. But budget experts say the government is right to focus on growth.
You have to be worried. Investment has been flat. There's a lot of debt at the household level. So I think that is the challenge of the budget, to grow the economy.
The Liberals still say they will balance the budget eventually and that they'll keep the ratio of debt to GDP going down. For that, they will need faster growth, and that depends a lot on global growth, and we don't know if they'll get that. But we do know which way the debt is going. Up.